Much has announced that it will no longer be working with Ngizwe Mchunu. Let me just read what they posted. They're saying the movement received a report from its governance and legal compliance wing following a protracted investigation. They said investigation relates to the attempts by political role players and business cartels to destabilize the movement and demobilize our people. The movement has come to a conclusion that these actions are orchestrated by lazy thinkers, criminals, and beneficiaries of colonialism who do not see anything wrong with our youth languishing in drugs, unemployment, and the dilution of our identity while they live large at the expense of our indigenous people. The movement accepts the findings that there has been an offer and acceptance of gratification exchange for the soul of the movement and our people, and this is a war that we are prepared to fight relentlessly. We want a united South Africa, and we want to work with people we can trust. Having considered the facts before us, juxtaposed with the founding principles and values espoused in our mission statement, and having attempted to engage with our stakeholders, the movement has accordingly resolved that pending further investigation, it will not be working with Mr. Ngizwe Mchunu. I don't know what you guys think, but my worry now is that there could be more people who are also receiving money from business cartels or so. Let's just wait for their investigations. I just hope Much will not end up like Dudula and there won't be more divisions. Because once division starts, it won't end well. Isn't it? It all started when he went to see the president. I don't know. Probably was promised something or he was given something, because after 30 June, he just went quiet. This whole month, he was just quiet. And isn't it too early for them to fight and have these breakups and because the next thing that you're going to hear is that he's going to be singing everything from the movement, and he's going to come for them. He's going to look for revenge or some sort. Remember, everyone has a price, and I'm sure Ngizwe weighed $1 million, probably was given 1 million or 3 million, I don't know. He was bought, obvious. And now, because he was chased away, he has been officially chased away. He's going to sing, because he has got nothing to lose at the end of the day. And the next thing, they're going to kill each other. That's the end result of everything that is happening. And now that this has been officialized, I'm sure those people that are within are going to start to tread carefully. If there are people who are within who are also getting money from somewhere, because it can't be one person. Trust me, it can't be one person who is receiving money from business people, and because I'm sure there are people who are also going with information from the movement. That's why they are saying they are going to make further investigations. All the best, but it's not looking good. I'm just thinking what happened to Dudula when Zandile was offered the position. She just left. And then when she left the movement, where is the movement now? The movement is no longer there. So everything is possible now at this moment. By next year, this time, I don't know if the movement will be still there. That's my other worry, that the movement is not going to last longer. Because now the key person, one of the key person who was like leading, is being accused of. The next thing, they're going to accuse each other, and the next thing, the movement is dead. You hear that he will form another party, he's going to form another movement or something like that to just fight with them. He might also form his own movement. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on this one.